Hey everyone, thanks for joining. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my smart disaster detection system, the Capstone project I built for the 2025 Google and Kaggle AI Agents Intensive. The idea behind this project is simple. What if a team of AI agents could look at an image and instantly understand a disaster, just like a human would? That's exactly what we're exploring today. So, let's start with the actual problem. Traditional alarms and smoke detectors do one thing: they sense heat or smoke. That's it. They don't know why something is happening, where it's happening, or how bad it is. And they can only work if they're right next to the event. But disasters don't wait for us, and they definitely don't happen only where sensors are installed. That's why many incidents go unnoticed until it's already too late. This project aims to fill that gap. Instead of depending on a single sensor or a single model, we use a group of specialized agents. Each agent focuses on just one task: detecting hazards, checking safety, summarizing the scene, refining the explanation, and creating a clear alert. When they all work together, you get a much smarter, safer, and more reliable system. Here's how the pipeline flows. Everything starts with an image, from CCTV cameras, drones, or even someone's phone. The Vision Analyzer identifies what's happening in the picture. The Safety Guardian checks whether the content is safe to process. The Summarizer turns that visual information into simple language. The Refiner improves the description. And the Alert Generator puts everything together into a clean report that emergency teams can use. Let's take a moment to meet the agents. The Vision Agent is basically the eyes of the system, spotting fire, smoke, crowds, or accidents. The Safety Guardian makes sure we're allowed to process the image. The Summarizer creates an easy explanation. The Refiner polishes that explanation so it sounds clear and accurate. And the Alert Generator formats it all neatly so it's ready for use. Each one plays a very specific role. What makes this really cool is how the agents work together. Because they're specialized, each agent stays focused on its part, which leads to better accuracy. We also use patterns like safety gating, refinement loops, and tool-assisted reasoning to make the whole process stable and trustworthy. Compared to a normal alarm, this system doesn't just beep, it actually tells you what's going on. Now, let's talk about the tech powering all this. The system uses Gemini Vision for the image understanding part. The workflow runs inside Kaggle Notebooks, which makes experimentation smooth. MCP tools help the agents perform different tasks, and callbacks give us visibility into what the agents are doing. For memory, we use a combination of in-memory context and SQLite to keep things organized. Here's why this project actually matters. Think about a place where no human is around: a parking lot at night, a remote roadside, an empty warehouse. A fire could start, an accident could happen, and nobody would know. But cameras are already there. And if an AI system can instantly interpret what those cameras capture, we can send early alerts, reduce damage, and maybe even save lives. These are the resources that helped shape the project: Gemini's official documentation, examples from the Kaggle AI Agents Intensive, and MCP tool demos. They guided the design decisions and the architecture of the whole system. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to explore the notebook, the code, or the final outputs, everything is available in my Kaggle submission. I hope this gives you a sense of how Agentic AI can make disaster detection smarter and more proactive.